I'm Priyanka Goyal, and today I'm going to teach you the 14th chapter of SS of class 6. Unity in diversity is the topic. First, we try to understand the meaning of diversity. Our country is a country of diversity. It has a unique identity, having diversity in religion, language, caste, and economic equality. Apart from food, festival, customs, rituals, and attire, variation is also seen in social life. Let us see what we can do for unity and equality in our country. The diversity which is seen in Indians is rarely seen in other countries of the world. India has become a subcontinent due to these diversities. In our country, diversity is seen in the color, complexion, attire, religion, language, food, etc. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Religion. People having faith in different religion live in our country. People following various religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, etc. They all live together in harmony. In spite of religious diversity, all the religions are given equal importance to in our country with good intention that all can practice or follow their religion equally. Now, language. Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Konkani, etc. languages are spoken in our country. In spite of existing diversity in language, various languages have importance to maintain unity of our country. Now about culture. Culture diversity is widely seen in our country due to differences in religion and language. Cultural diversity can easily be seen in various regions or states. People living in different parts of country celebrate festivals like Diwali, Holi, Uttarayan, Dashera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Muharram, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, Onam, Pateti, Baisakhi, etc. together. People living in different parts of our country have expertise in different type of dances like Ras, Garba, Bhangra, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, Bihu, Odissi, Ghumar, etc. Along with diversities, there are also many variations in people's food, attire, residence, customs and traditions, etc. India has become a country with diversity because of geographical factors like climate, topography, farming, forest, etc. Now, in spite of so many diversities, there is unity in diversity. Indian culture is one of the ancient culture of the world. People of our country differ from one another in many ways such as attire, food, residence, religion, language, custom, festival, etc. Yet, there is emotional unity. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country. People of different religion, language, caste love and honor their country. They have a feeling of sacrifice and cooperation for their nation. It is called national unity. Development in economic, social, industrial field occurs because of national unity. People maintain peace, security, prosperity in spite of diversities. That is why Dr. Radhakrishnan stated that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept need of national unity. During the freedom movement, our country made the vision of unity possible through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. Unity in diversity is a special feature of our country.